Proudly made in the USA, Gator insulated mobile ice caddies make transporting heavy ice easier than ever. This caddy has 4 non-marking 5-inch casters to provide smooth mobility. Capable of holding up to 125 pounds of ice, this caddy has a flip-style lid to provide access to the bin's contents. The lid also keeps the unit cold, but plastic latches allow it to be removed for full access merchandising or to clean the interior. This ice caddy has a durable polyethylene exterior that is textured to minimize the appearance of scratches. To maximize temperature retention, the polyurethane insulation keeps ice cold for up to 6 hours, and the recessed faucet drains any excess water. The faucet's recessed design also ensures it won't get hit by obstacles and break off during use. Keep ice cold and simplify transport with an American-made Gator insulated mobile ice caddy.